And we back. What's going on, folks? It's your boy Banks coming at y'all again with another video. Today I'm gonna do some much needed TLC on the Zl1. Of course, you know, springtime and car show season is upon us, cruise-ins and all that good stuff. We finally enjoy our rides and enjoy the weather. So it's time for my second oil change since owning the car. Also, I want to take care of something that I've never quite done on this car, and I don't know if the previous owner has done it. I want to change that rear differential oil. You're supposed to change it, I think, about 5,000 miles or so when you first purchase the car for break-in period. I don't know if it's been done already or not. I'm just going to do it for my peace of mind and my safety. So I already ordered the parts for the car that I needed to get this done. It's fairly simple. You got two drain bolts under the, well, one drain bolt, one filler bolt. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the filler bolt, then I'm gonna open the drain bolt in the bottom. Opening the filler bolt will let more air come through. It should drain a whole lot smoother with that. And also you want to always see if you can get the filling bolt open before the drain, because if you drain it and you can't get the other one open, then you're screwed. So yeah, that's pretty much that. But this is what you need. You're gonna need this, the pump, to get the fluid out of these, because you can't get this bottle or a funnel up under the car where you need to go. And this is the rear differential fluid that you need. It only takes like 1.6 quarts or something like that. But I got two. But from what I've been told by the dealer, basically once you drain it, you just keep pumping it into the filler until you see it spill back out on the top a little bit. Once you do that, you know you're fine, you're good to go. You can close it back up and sit the car down. I'll get up on here and show you what it looks like. Of course, you know, if you know anything about this car, it has electronic rear diff. Electronic rear diff up under this car. This is it. This is your drain bolt right here. And if we come around this side, you can kind of see the filler bolt right. If I can get my hand up on here, filler bolt is right here, right in that spot. So we're just gonna use a 3/8 socket, crack them both, and drain it out. Car doesn't look bad up underneath here. It would have been a whole lot dirtier than that, but looks to be okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drain. I'm gonna drain it and so we can see what condition this fluid is in. And I'll pick y'all back up once it starts draining. I'm really interested to see if this fluid has been changed or not. I mean, if it has, cheap insurance. So I'll pick y'all right back up once I drain this. Alright, so first bolt coming out right now is the filler bolt. I'm hoping it doesn't spill everywhere and get all over the exhaust, but alright, that's the first bolt. That's the filler bolt. And looking at this bolt, is that sludge? Yeah, it's a little sticky and sludgy. But this is the filler. We're gonna put this bolt down here so we don't get them mixed up. That's the first one. This will be the drain bolt. I'm gonna go counterclockwise. Hard to do this with one hand. If I can spin. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. Alright, broke it loose. Get this bucket ready. See how she looks. There it is. And it is dirty, real dirty. This is the drain bolt for the bottom. Gonna sit that to the side. God, this stuff smells awful. That's that bottom drain bolt. And now we're just gonna let that drain for a minute. Let me clean this up this area and I'll pick y'all right back up. Okay, as y'all can see, this is the pump, this is the bottle. I got the line running up top into the filler hole. So it's gonna be a long process. I'm probably gonna speed it up for y'all, but I just pump into it. Goes all in there. It's gonna take a while. Stuff smells awful. So now I'm gonna open the next bottle, get that ready, transfer it over, continue pumping. Like I said, you want to pump it till you see the fluid starts to drip out the top a little bit. So let's take this out. Put the rag right here, take this out, pour the rest in here. Wasn't that much. This right here. Pump some more. We should be almost there. Up, she's starting to come out. She's starting to drip. All right, we're there. We are there. Try one more pump just to make sure. I believe we're there. She's steady coming out. Get this bolt, put it back in. Screwing that back in. Alright, got a little spill down here, nothing much. Take my ratchet. Man, I'm gonna tell you, shout out to the fellow YouTubers that do this with one hand, man. And they've mastered this type of stuff. Harder than it seems. I'm gonna have to sit y'all down just for a second. All right. Got the socket in there. Like I said, we're just gonna snug it. Don't want to strip anything. And that pretty much is it. Like I said, it's real simple to do. Highly recommend doing this, especially if you take your Zl1 to the track a lot. Do a lot of hard driving with it instead of just going from point A to point B. It's good to change your fluids and stuff like that. Also, I'm about to do an oil change too. It's about that time. So yeah, that concludes this video. Just wanted to give y'all a quick tutorial on how to do that. I've been seeing a lot of people question about it, and I thought about it. I was like, hey, I haven't even done mine yet. So it was on my list of things to do, just never got around to it. And it was so cold outside. But now here in Virginia, it's 80 degrees today and it feels beautiful outside. Nice wind blowing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff done to this car while I can. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna do a quick oil change on this, and I also wanna go over something that happened to the car that was like a fluke. It's not doing it anymore. And I think it was bad gas, but stay tuned for the next video. Thank y'all for watching.